Alright people, so just a quick update on yesterday's homebrew. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, or if you're new to this video, if you click on my channel, it'll be the video just before this one, and it's called Making Hooch. So, right, I'm lost for words, hold up. Yeah, so I started this off yesterday and used turbo yeast, which takes 24 to 48 hours. Regular brewing yeast can take a week to 2 weeks, sometimes a little bit longer than 2 weeks. So you see this yellow foam, that's when the yeast has, caused the drink to foam up. When you use regular brewing yeast, the foam stays up for a lot longer, and then it goes down, and that's when you know the yeast is, it's almost finished its job. So by tomorrow this will be done. It's still, I don't know if you can see on camera. There we go. It's still fizzing up and bubbling. So this will be finished by tomorrow, and I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but this is making like a hizzy fizzing noise. The lid, it's not screwed all the way on. Instead of using an airlock, you can just screw the lid on a little bit, and that lets the gases out without letting any bacteria get in. It's cloudy, but once it's finished fermenting, I'm going to funnel this into some smaller bottles, possibly 1 litre bottles, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge until it clears up. That's called, it's called cold crushing. It'll clear up, not completely clear, because it wasn't a completely clear drink to start with, but it's a lot more cloudy. It kind of looks like really milky tea, doesn't it? So yeah, I'll cold crush it. It'll clear up a bit, and also it'll be nice and cold to drink. I would like to have a taste before I put it into the fridge, but I know if I do that, then it'll be like, right, I'll have a glass, I'll have one more glass, I'll end up drinking the full bottle. So it'll be best for me to just keep it in the fridge, until it's cleared up a bit, 2 or 3 days. So yeah, that's today's update, and we'll see you in tomorrow's update. Hope you're all okay. Hope you're all having a nice day. It is so hot here in England. It started to cool down yesterday, and I was like, oh, thank God. But then today, it's red hot again. Oh, man. Anyways, hope you're all okay, and we will see you in the next video. So, peace out, and take care. Peace. No, that doesn't mean peace, that means okay. Anyways, peace out.